Cloudflare Workers and AWS Lambda are two of the biggest names in the serverless world, but they approach the idea of serverless in very different ways. If you are deciding which runtime is best for modern applications, performance, and cost, this breakdown will help you understand how each platform fits into a developer's workflow. Cloudflare Workers is built on a global edge network. That means your code runs close to your users, not in one centralized region. The result is fast cold starts, extremely low latency, and quick response times almost anywhere in the world. Workers uses the V8 engine, so it starts up in milliseconds. That makes it ideal for apps where speed matters, such as API endpoints, personalization, user authentication, or small services that need to run instantly. Workers also pairs nicely with Cloudflare's other services like KV storage, durable objects, and R2, giving you a complete serverless environment without managing servers or regions. One major advantage is how simple the deployment model is. With Workers, you do not worry about provisioning memory, choosing runtime versions, or managing scaling rules. It scales automatically and globally. AWS Lambda, on the other hand, offers more flexibility and deeper integration with the entire AWS ecosystem. You can run a wide range of languages, choose your preferred runtime, allocate more memory or CPU, and pair Lambda with services like DynamoDB, S3, EventBridge, or API Gateway. This makes it a strong choice for complex architectures or enterprise systems already invested in AWS. Lambda supports longer execution times, making it suitable for data processing, batch jobs, or more demanding workloads. It also handles large volumes of event-driven tasks very well. Because AWS provides mature tooling, monitoring, and security controls, Lambda fits nicely into regulated industries or companies with strict compliance requirements. However, Lambda's cold starts can be slower compared to Workers, especially in runtimes that are not optimized for speed. It also runs in specific regions unless you enable optional edge products. If you want a fast, globally distributed runtime for modern web apps, Workers is hard to beat. If you need full control, longer execution, and tight integration with managed cloud services, Lambda is the more complete platform. Both are powerful serverless options, but the right choice depends on your technical needs and the scale of your applications.